In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable auto renewal in Hostinger. If you're looking to manage your Hostinger services without automatically extending them, then this guide is just what you need. First, let's begin by heading over to Hostinger's website. Open your browser and navigate to hpanel.hostinger.com. You'll want to log in using your credentials to access your personal dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options designed to help you manage your hosting properties effectively. Now, to proceed with disabling auto renewal, we need to direct our attention to the domain section. On your dashboard, locate and click on the Domains tab. This section is specifically dedicated to all the domains you have associated with your account. It's your command center for domain management, offering various tools to optimize your online presence. After you've clicked into the domain section and it has loaded up, you'll see a list of the domains linked to your account. Find the domain for which you want to disable auto renewal and click on the Manage option beside it. This will open up the management interface for your selected domain. The Manage section provides comprehensive controls, allowing you to handle everything from DNS settings to renewal preferences. In the domain management area, look for the auto renewal toggle. Hostinger makes it easy to spot. Just scan the page until you find the auto renewal option. This feature is typically turned on by default to ensure uninterrupted service, but we're going to change that for the domain you've selected. Click on the toggle to switch it off. Disabling auto renewal means that your domain will not automatically renew when it reaches its expiration date, giving you more personal control over your renewals. Once you've toggled off auto renewal for your domain, there's one more crucial step. Locate the Disable Auto Renewal button. It's important to click this button to confirm your choice. A confirmation prompt may appear, confirming whether you'd like to proceed with disabling the auto renewal feature. If so, make sure you approve it to complete the process. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully disabled the auto renewal option for your domain on Hostinger. This gives you the flexibility to decide if and when you'd like to manually renew your services without the pressure of automatic renewals. Remember, if you ever change your mind, you can always come back and re-enable auto renewal using the same steps. Thank you for watching this tutorial on disabling auto renewal in Hostinger. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and guides. Happy hosting!